Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a file sharing website where you can transfer your files from one computer to another computer over the internet. So this uses a peer-to-peer technology, and this site is built upon Node.js and Express. The site name is transferexcel.com. I have given the link in the video description. This is a premium website. You can go to this website if you want to transfer any sort of file from one computer to another. So if you land on this website, there will be this interface. This, if you click the plus icon, you can, a dialog box will appear. Here you can just transfer any sort of file. Let's suppose I select a PNG file that I want to transfer. You can see the file is selected. Now you just need to provide the email address wherever you want to send it to, or you can share this public link also like this. You also need to provide a from address and a simple message also. So I will send it as a email here. So you just need to provide your email address. Let's suppose I provide like this, my email address from field here, and then wherever you are sending to. So I am sending to my another email address, gautam1987@gmail.com, and then there will be a simple message. This is the image file, simple enough. And you will click on the transfer file button here like this. So it will send this file to this email address that you have provided. You can see if I click the transfer file button, now it will say it is transferring it. So just wait. After transferring it, you can check your email address. If you open it, you will see a notification that it has successfully transferred it. So if I open my gmail.com website, and if I see here the file is successfully will be transferred, so just wait, you will see Sharma Gautam 1987 dob@gmail.com has sent you one file using transfer excel. So if you open this, you will see there is a one file which has been transferred to you. If you click the download button, this image file will be downloaded. So it will be landed to this link here where you can just download this file. So you can see now the image file is successfully downloaded to your local system inside this zip file. So simple process. This is a peer-to-peer network. You can see that it is transferring the files from one computer to another computer using this technology, Transfer Excel. You can even create your own account. There is a sign-in option. You can use the Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn. So you can just log in with your Google account if you want to use their pro version. So I will log in it by Google account. So you will see you can also upgrade to their pro plan by clicking this option. So the monthly plan is $9 per month. This is their most popular plan, and the free account allows you to transfer 5 GB of files from one computer to another, and the maximum size will be 10 GB per file, and there will be 1 week retention. End-to-end encryption is there, so security is not an issue. So in the pro plan, it allows you to 25 GB of maximum file transfer. So in the enterprise, if you want for a company, you can just buy it for $40. So I think this is a great website if you want to transfer any sort of video file, image file from one computer to another using sending to email addresses. This is pretty awesome website that I found on the internet. You should definitely use it. The URL is transferexcel.com. I have given this URL in the video description. So if you like this video guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.